You know Cocomelon, one of the biggest channels on YouTube, with billions of views on its videos. But all the gurus on YouTube are lying to you. They say create videos using AI and you can make thousands of dollars. Bullshit. YouTube is demonetizing AI slop channels and low-effort channels. That's why I found a way to create kids' music videos without using AI for the visuals, so the channel actually gets monetized. You can create a new channel with 0 subscribers, and then you'll need to gain 8,000 watch time hours to apply for monetization and start earning. That's why I'd recommend starting with an already monetized channel instead. This way, you can start earning from your very first video. Our channels are also 100% organically grown. 2. Channel branding. Honestly, the branding doesn't matter that much. Just give your channel a good name and a logo. The real thing to focus on is the video content and the thumbnail. 3. Visuals. We're going to use real gameplay videos as our visuals. A free game I'd recommend is Fall Guys. Or you can go to the Play Store, into the Games section. There you'll want to find a game with colorful visuals like these. I picked the Masha and the Bear series, and I've already downloaded a few episodes. From there, play the game. If it has ads, turn on airplane mode to block them. Once the game loads, open your quick settings and find the screen recorder. Make sure record audio is enabled and touch indicators are disabled. Now, as you can see, screen recording is turned on. We just play the game as usual. The first level is complete, so let's move to the next screen. Here's the video we recorded. Play it back and open a new notepad file, placing them side by side so you can type while watching. Start describing what's happening in the video. Masha is with the rooster is running, Masha is behind him, the rooster jumps through the bundle, then Masha jumps through the sheaf, and so on. Once you've described everything happening in the visuals, save that as a text file. 4. Song generation. Open Claude AI and upload the text file. Then type, I've attached the visuals for the kid's song. This is what's happening in the video. You have to write a song for it, so I can give the lyrics to Suno to generate the music. Now we have the lyrics for the song. Go to suno.com. But before that, one important note. Free plans don't include commercial rights. That doesn't mean you'll get copyright claimed on your video, but it's still recommended to purchase the Pro plan so you have full commercial rights to the music. Now go to the Create section and click Add Lyrics to switch to lyrics mode. Go back and copy just the lyrics, then paste them in. For the Style field, you'll also find style details alongside the lyrics in Claude. Paste that in too. Finally, copy the song title and enter it into Suno. When you hit that Create button, 4 different songs will start generating. I like the second one, so I'll download that one. 5. Editing. Next, open CapCut and import the screen recording. Change the ratio to 16:9 for YouTube. Crop the video and keep it at 16:9, since that's the standard YouTube format. Select the video, go to Audio, and mute the volume, because we're allowed to use gameplay footage, but not its original music or sound. Next, import the music we downloaded. Right-click on the video and you'll find Split Scenes. This automatically splits the footage into scenes. As you can see, the loading screen gets separated automatically, so we can delete that part. Now match the video length to the song. If the video runs short, you can copy and duplicate clips to fill it out. The basic editing is done, and our music video is ready. 6. Thumbnail. For the thumbnail, play the gameplay video and take a screenshot of any part of it. Next, upload that screenshot to Claude AI and type, here's the gameplay footage. I want you to give me a detailed prompt to generate a thumbnail for this music video. Claude will generate the thumbnail prompt. Open Gemini, enter the prompt, then click the plus icon to enable image generation mode. Gemini will generate a detailed image. Honestly, I didn't love it. So let's go back to Claude and type. Include the song title Catch That Rooster. Also, make it 3D, like Cocomelon. Let's hope we get a better result this time. Open a new Gemini chat and generate the image again using the updated prompt. This image turned out great. It's actually pretty similar to Cocomelon-style. The link is in the description to get a monetized channel. And if you have the budget, I'd also recommend purchasing the automation channel.